Hi, welcome my dear student friends. CA Pratik Neve this side. अब इस Saturday Sunday, that is 10th and 11th, is a lockdown, isn't it? In most of the states in India. What I thought is, let us utilize this time beautifully. What are we going to do? We are going to tackle with very two important topics in GST. Rather, I would say one topic, that is exemptions under GST. So for whom this lecture is going to be? This lecture is going to be for my CS, CA as well as CMA student friends. Okay, it has been observed that weightage of this topic is quite high in the exams and the topic is quite lengthy. So we are going to do this topic in upcoming 2 days. So मैंने क्या बोला यहाँ पे? Check. We are going to do exemptions in GST which is of section 11 of CGST Act. But दोस्तों ये सिर्फ section 11 नहीं है. This is to be read along with notification. We have to read it along with notification, okay, which has got about 80 services. So हम वो सब tackle करने वाले हैं along with lot of examples. But उसके साथ हम scope of supply under GST भी करने वाले हैं. Why we should do that? Because if a particular activity is done, whether to charge GST or not will be determined on the basis of first of all whether it is a supply or not. Correct? तो हमें ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि वो supply है कि नहीं. We should know that whether it is a supply or not, and then should also understand about its status of exemption in GST. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. It is going to be on 10th and 11th of April. As you can see, the total batch is of 10 hours. So वो कैसे 10 घंटे? अब देखो यहाँ पे आपको बिल्कुल घबराना नहीं है. You don't have to fear that 10 hours in 2 days how we will be able to focus. Exactly वही सीखना है. कैसे करने वाले हैं? तो Saturday कल morning 6:30 to 9:30 we are going to do, and कल करेंगे section 7 of CGST Act, and then on 11th Sunday it will be followed by 6 to 9 morning first session, second session 9:30 to 11:30, मस्त बीच में हाफ आवर का ब्रेक मिलेगा, एंड देन लास्टली 12 to 2. तो क्या ये सब सेशंस कंटिन्यूटी में? ऑफ कोर्स यस, तभी 10 घंटे बनेंगे. करेक्ट? एंड एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग दोस्तों 10 घंटे सुनने में ऐसे लगता है बाप रे 10 घंटे हमें कवर करने हैं. एंड संडे को तो मॉर्निंग 6 से लेके आफ्टरनून 2 o'clock तक बैठना है. क्या है पॉसिबल होगा? ऑफ कोर्स होगा. हम करने वाले हैं. आपको समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि यार टाइम कैसे चला गया. करेक्ट? सो प्लीज 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 डू अटेंड. दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ मेन बैच, correct, which we are conducting. This is also part of amendment revision tax batch which we are taking. And one best news is anyone can attend. Those who have not joined any of these batches can also attend. How? Just check, just ping me. This is my personal WhatsApp number. Just ping me on this. I'll let you know how. So my dear friends, let us make maximum use of upcoming Saturday, Sunday. Weightage of this in your CS professional papers is about 18 to 20 marks as observed in last 2 exams. Okay, weightage of this in CA intermediate is also quite high. Same with CA final and CMA inter and CMA final. So this lecture is equally applicable for all of you, even CS executive students. So see you then. Thank you very much for being so nice audience. Thank you. See you.